Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got a brand new subscription box to my channel. It's Lavella Beauty and I absolutely love it. It's the second box I've received. The first box I received last month, but I was really busy last month and I just didn't have the time to unbox it, but I did post a photo of the contents from last month's box on my Instagram page, which is Diaryofabeautygeek. And yeah, so if you're interested in taking a look what last month's box looked like, then you're welcome to take a look. But yeah, I'm really excited about it. So I've had a quick look inside, but I haven't had a proper look then. I thought I'd share my excitement of unboxing it with you. So if you're new to Lavella Beauty, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside this box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. Lavella is a beauty and wellness salon located in Warwickshire in the UK. As well as providing beauty treatments for their customers, they offer a shop and also a subscription box as well. The cost of the box is £15, including shipping, and if you're just interested in taking out a one-off box, that will cost you £20. This box is based in the UK and currently they only ship within the UK. They say that this box is designed to help you look and feel your best, and you'll receive a self-care box delivered to your door once a month, which contains a minimum of 5 beauty products. If you're interested in this subscription for yourself, I'll pop a link down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to showing you what's inside. Look how it's packaged with a little lavender there. It's so lovely. There's information leaflets here, which I'll go through. Let's get rid of some of the worms. There, I'll just give a sneak peek first, but I'll go through it all one by one. In all the boxes, you'll receive a leaflet, and this details the April self-care pack. So I'll refer to this as we go along. And then this must be a monthly added extra, because I had one last month as well. But it's a little card, and this is "You Are the Bee's Knees." So it's a little card with an envelope there. So there's no message inside, so you can add whatever you want in there. But I love these, I absolutely love these. "You Are the Bee's Knees." First item in the box, and this is by the brand Love Beauty and Planet. This is a coconut water and mimosa flower luscious hydration body hydro gel. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells so nice. It's just like hair gel. I have never tried anything like this before. Look, it's just like hair gel. Let's give it a go then. Oh, it's so nice and cool. It's perfect for warmer days or coming out of a hot bath and wanting to cool your body down. Oh, yeah, it's not that cold on the skin, but I can imagine if I pop that in my little skincare fridge, that'd be gorgeous. It's left my skin feeling soft. It smells so nice. The information about it just goes into telling you what I've already read, but it just says applied to skin after bath or shower, use daily for best results. Next we got a product by Revolution, and this is Revolution Skincare London. This is Mood Stressed, the perfect pep up in a bottle, calming skin booster and cannabis stavia, and again cruelty free and vegan, and there's 30 mils here. It contains Korean red ginseng, traditionally used for 4,000 years and known to help smooth the skin. White and green tea help to soothe and calm the skin, and vitamin E, which is full of antioxidants. Okay then. So again, another full-size product. Looks like there. Just so I can feel. It feels nice. It does feel nice. Oh, I can smell the green tea. It has a subtle scent, but I can smell it. No, that's nice. It's my skin feeling really nice and soft actually. This ultra lightweight booster serum is quickly absorbed into the skin to deliver calming and hydrating benefits. Ideal for irritated, dry, dehydrated skin types. This multi-benefit formula helps to calm the appearance of redness and reduce sensations of discomfort, leaving your skin feeling more balanced and harmonious. Apply morning and night to face and neck for best results. Yeah, I really like that. Next we've got soap. I got a thing for soaps. This is Nubian Heritage Shea Butter and Aloe Bar Soap, fragrance free for sensitive skin, made with cocoa butter. And again, another full-size product. Oh, I love getting soaps. I love them. I tend to just keep them and don't use them though. It's fragrance free, isn't it? Why am I sniffing? I sniff everything. It's an automatic response to anything with me. You've got a nice soap there. It says this gentle, unique bar soap combines moisturising shea butter and cocoa butter with soothing aloe vera. The rich and creamy lather leaves all skin types feeling soft and nourished. This unscented formula is ideal for sensitive skin. Apply to washcloth or hands, create rich lather and cleanse and rinse well. It's got soap. Next we got a product by Revitali. That great at pronouncing words. This is a collagen and Q10 anti-wrinkle eye gel patches. Moisturizes, nourishes and hydrates and contains 5 treatments. So again, another full-size item. I haven't tried anything from this brand before. So there's 5 gel patches there. It says each collagen gel patch intensively moisturizes, nourishes and hydrates, working to restore elasticity and helping skin to look and feel rejuvenated, vibrant and smooth. Allow the mask to work its magic for 20 to 30 minutes whilst you relax, then gently remove. So you've got some eye patches. Next we have got a gel sponge by Lab 2 Live and Breathe Beauty. And this is a Pro So Ovalit gel sponge. Another brand I haven't heard of before as well. This is what I love. This is exciting me. Although saying that, I don't particularly like these. It's exactly the same as all the other ones I've tried. Now they can be used for applying foundation, rubbing foundation in your face, which is not great. For me personally, no, not at all, and not great at all. You're just sliding it on your face. Doesn't really do much. Or you can apply makeup products to this sponge and then just use a brush straight onto your face. So instead of applying it to your hand. It's a multi-purpose tool, but for me personally, no, I don't like it. So I will be passing that on. So it says the silicone makeup applicator was designed to completely eliminate wasted makeup and skincare. While sponge applicators soak up large amounts of makeup during application, the LAB2 silicone sponges perfectly applies and blends your foundation, blush, highlighter, concealer, moisturizer and primer without absorbing one drop. Only half the amount of product is needed as compared to a traditional sponge or brush applicator. So there's that. Next we've got a product by Incredible, and this is You Glow Girl, a loose shimmer pigment for eyes, cheeks and lips. And this is Girl of the Moment. So it looks like that. You might not be able to see much. Woo, it's all tipping forward. Very, very pretty. Really, really pretty. I have tried one of these before. I'm sure I've got the same colour. I received it in a different subscription box. That is really, really pretty. I do like that. But it says, packed full of glow dust, your Glow Girl Loose Shimmer Pigment is a super sweet shade and will become your partner in shine. Dust over your eyes, lips and cheeks with a brush or fingers to add instant shimmer highlight. Layer up the sugar soft pigment for fuller coverage or sheer it out for a light dusting. So there's that. Because it's April and Easter happens in April. Well, this year it has. We got a little bunny, a little chocolate bunny. Gosh, it seems like Easter was weeks and weeks and weeks ago. So you got a little lint chocolate bunny, which is going to go straight away with a cup of tea after this video. So those are all the items. So I'm just going to gather them all up and I'll be back. So the added freebies, we've got a little Easter chocolate bunny there. And then we've got a card and envelope by the brand Oh Squirrel. Then we've got a Love, Beauty and Planet, a Hydro Body Gel. We've got a Lab 2 Gel Sponge. We've got a pack of 5 Eye Gel Pads by Revitali. We've got a Nubian Heritage, a Aloe Vera Soap. We've got an Incredible You Glow Girl, a Loose Pigment. And lastly, we've got a Calming Skin Booster Serum by Revolution Beauty. I absolutely love this box. All the products are full size. I'm not sure if that's a monthly thing. It could be just this month. I'm not too sure as I'm very new to this subscription. But the products that I've received, I really do like. All right then, I don't like the sponge, the silicone sponge. But everything else I do really like. I'm really excited about that body hydrogel. It felt amazing on my skin. It smells amazing. I can't wait to see what it's like on my legs and arms after I've come out of a warm shower or a bath. Yeah, the skin booster as well, a calming skin booster. That sounds gorgeous, and it's exciting for me. It's a little bit different, as in we're not seeing brands that we always see in subscription boxes, and especially coming from me, because I am a bit of a subscription box addict. So I do receive quite a lot of subscription boxes, and also I'm gifted quite a few boxes as well. So there's always bound to be some crossovers and repeats of products that I've had. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you subscribe to Lavella Beauty? Or is this a brand new box you've never heard of before? I'd love to hear what you think of it and whether you're interested in taking out a subscription box for yourself. Or if you're thinking, do you know what, Claire? No, don't like it. All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.